Rising speculations about Tesla potentially opening a new manufacturing plant in countries such as Mexico, Canada, and Indonesia have certainly been making waves on several news platforms. And with a recent report strongly suggesting the company has in fact selected Mexico as the new location for its new Gigafactory, what does this mean for the electric vehicle market in Mexico? We know that the electric car maker, according to a source for a local Mexican newspaper, is planning to develop a new manufacturing plant in Mexico using an initial investment estimated to be between $800 million and $1 billion. Although Tesla plans to invest up to $10 billion more in the new Gigafactory for future expansions and operating costs. According to Bloomberg, Elon Musk's Tesla is not only preparing to construct a Gigafactory in a suburb located about a 7-hour drive from its renowned Texas plant, but the company also has plans to develop one in Mexico, making this Tesla's latest step in increasing its presence in the country. And although there's not been a lot of information about the new Tesla Gigafactory in Mexico, what we do know is that the estimated billion-dollar initial investment means Tesla is planning to leverage the proposed Gigafactory as a way to produce cheaper components for its existing Tesla models. The components produced will be sent to Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas, where they will be assembled to produce cheaper electric vehicles. An undisclosed source was quoted by Bloomberg as saying, the investment, including initial phases and future expansions, would exceed $10 billion. It'll consist of investments in the initial phase for various components for existing models. And in future phases, it would be a new model with a lower cost than the current ones. So upon the successful integration of the new Mexican Gigafactory into its production operations, Tesla also plans to develop components that can be used in the production of new Tesla models with reduced operating costs. One of the new Tesla models that'll benefit from the reduced operating cost of the proposed Gigafactory in Mexico is the Model 2. We know that Tesla has plans to reduce the manufacturing cost of its Model 2 vehicles and has future development plans on how to make the vehicle available to more of its customers while significantly reducing the cost of mass producing them. James Murdoch, Tesla's chief of investor relations, already reiterated that the electric vehicle manufacturer was looking at ways to make the Model 2 more affordable within the next 5 years. Interestingly, this could mean Tesla is planning to release affordable Model 2 vehicles on the market before the release of its rumored robo-taxi autonomous vehicle service, of which there's been no official confirmation. Although during Tesla's most recent earnings call to discuss its financial reports, Elon Musk stated that the company will undoubtedly release a low-cost Model 2 soon and that plans are in place to develop new production methods to reduce the cost of producing future Model 3s. During the call, Musk claimed that the cheaper Model 2 will be smaller and more affordable, and the company expects to see more sales of the new Model 2 than all other Tesla vehicles combined. Of course, there's no official confirmation that the reduction in the manufacturing cost of the Model 2 will result in the halving of the vehicle's price, but many experts in the electric vehicle market expect to see the Model 2 become the entry-level Tesla car for anyone looking to switch from gas-powered vehicles to battery-powered ones. Current projections suggest Tesla will be looking to apply every production efficiency advantage it has learned during the construction and expansion of its existing gigafactories in the development of its new gigafactory in Mexico. The implication is that Tesla will effectively lower its cost of labor, which could help the company balance out the economies of scale that are required to set the retail price of the Model 2 to an estimated range of $30,000 to $32,000. Speaking on Tesla's proposed expansion into Mexico, an undisclosed local investment investor was quoted as saying, "Everything seems to indicate that the land from Musk has already been acquired. What is not known is whether it was the state government itself or the businessman." The source further stated that Tesla is buying the land itself instead of going through real estate brokers and other intermediaries. Elon Musk has also been cited twice this year in Nuevo León, which could indicate the billionaire is visiting possible plant locations by himself. Both sightings of Musk were with several top-ranking public officials in Mexico, including Mariana Rodriguez, the wife of Governor Samuel Garcia Sepulveda. Also, reports of Mexican government officials visiting the Texas Gigafactory back in April this year indicate Musk's visit to Nuevo León are on business. Located in a crucial North American logistical corridor, Nuevo León shares proximity with Texas, home to one of the most popular Tesla Gigafactories. The Tesla Gigafactory cost Tesla about $1.1 billion to develop and has been integrated as one of Tesla's most important factories. Recent reports indicate that the Texas facility has recently ramped up operations to build 3,000 Model Y electric SUVs every week. Tesla has also announced the Texas facility will be its production site for the new anticipated Tesla Cybertruck by the end of 2023. Official news about the proposed Mexican Gigafactory is expected to be announced later this week, although if there's no official confirmation by then, the company might simply decide to do it in January. Should the project to develop a Gigafactory in Mexico indeed proceed, the facility will be Tesla's 6th Gigafactory and should have similar production capacity to the company's other facilities in New York, Texas, Nevada, Shanghai, and Berlin. Quickly, let's look at the implications of building a Gigafactory in Mexico. Prior to Tesla's meteoric rise in the automobile industry, the company hoped to create vehicles that were both stylish and environmentally friendly. To the company's shock, the positive response from the public and demand for the Tesla vehicles, especially the Model 3, were overwhelming. Back in 2019, Elon Musk announced that there were over 1 million pre-orders for the Tesla Cybertruck and that the company was looking at several possible solutions that allowed faster production of Tesla vehicles. One of the proffered solutions was the expansion of the company's existing facility in Nevada and the development of other gigafactories in specific locations. The rest, of course, is history, with Tesla currently having 5 fully operational gigafactories in different countries. The development of a gigafactory in Nuevo León opens up several possibilities for Mexico as a country and also for Tesla as a company. For example, the proposed facility might eventually be expanded to serve as a base for Tesla to build its first Mexican electric vehicle. This will allow the company to challenge the authority of other automakers like Ford that are already producing Mexican EVs. However, Tesla's gigafactories demonstrate the company's commitment to hastening the global transition to sustainable energy by manufacturing affordable electric vehicles and other products. Tesla's gigafactories carry out in-house development of battery packs and electric motors, which are later assembled to produce Tesla vehicles and other energy products. Tesla's gigafactories are designed to run entirely on renewable energy sources, making them a net-zero carbon factory upon completion. The term gigafactory was first used by Elon Musk back in 2013 in a meeting with investors on the type of factory Tesla will need to meet the increased demands for its Model 3 electric vehicle. The CEO was quoted saying, "Tesla focuses heavily on designing the machine that makes the machine, turning the factory itself into a product. In doing so, the production capacity increases, so does the quality of the company's products." Not surprisingly, since the development of the first Gigafactory, Tesla has poured resources into refining production processes at its facilities. Battery production at Tesla's Gigafactories makes the company one of the highest volume battery producers in the world. Several reports also indicate Tesla produces more batteries than any other automobile maker in the world. The development and improvement of Tesla's gigafactories have also opened the door to many of Tesla's widely successful, innovative manufacturing methods. The sheer size of each gigafactory has also allowed Tesla to streamline its production methods so that most manufacturing processes are carried out under the same roof of the facility. The company has also leveraged its gigafactories to reduce the amount of waste generated in the production of Tesla vehicles. With Tesla continuing to ramp up plans to improve the efficiency of each gigafactory, it's safe to assume that the cost of producing Tesla battery cells will continue to fall, allowing the company to lower the price of its electric vehicles and other energy products even further. And by reducing the price of its product, Tesla is offering more people the chance to quickly transition to using sustainable energy products. The fact that rumors indicate that more Tesla gigafactories are in the works is certainly encouraging. Well, that marks the end of our video. If you like this video, make sure to check out more on our channel or click the subscribe button on your screen now.